If you care about your privacy, you need to change these 2 iPhone settings immediately, because apps are collecting your data without you even realizing it. Why this is important? Every time you use an app, it can track your location, where you go, how long you stay, even your daily routine. And the second thing? Apps can track your activity across other apps and websites. That means your personal data is being shared and used to target you. If you don't turn this off, your privacy is basically gone. Turn off location services or limit it. Go to Settings and scroll down. Then tap Privacy and Security. Then here tap on Location Services. Now check your apps one by one. Set most apps to while using or never. And scroll down, tap System Services. Turn off Significant Locations. Turn off Tracking. Go back to Privacy and Security. Then tap on Tracking. Now turn off Allow apps to request to track. That's it. Now apps can't follow you across other apps. If you ignore this, apps will keep collecting your data every single day. You won't even notice it happening. Fix it now before it's too late. Follow for more hidden iPhone tips that Apple doesn't tell you.